The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are a set of 17 global objectives adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015, designed to address the world's most pressing challenges. These goals cover a wide range of issues, from eradicating poverty and hunger to ensuring access to quality education and healthcare, promoting gender equality, and tackling climate change. The SDGs emphasize the importance of economic, social, and environmental sustainability, with the ultimate aim of improving the quality of life for everyone, particularly the most vulnerable populations.
What is quality education? Quality education is a holistic approach to learning that provides students with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in life. It's inclusive, equitable, and accessible to all people. I choose quality education because we all know that we are part of the lowest educational system all around the world. So I want to enhance it or make it more better so that other generation can learn more about the important things they needed to learn or know. Because I am also a teenager and also a brother, I know that the things that I am getting in school aren't enough to know that the things that I need to know. So I want to enhance or make the quality of education better so the other younger generation, especially my siblings, can get the education they need in the future.
I choose good health and well-being because they are foundational to a fulfilling and meaningful life. When we prioritize our physical and mental well-being, we not only enhance our own quality of life but also build the resilience needed to handle life's challenges. My goal is to live in a way that nurtures both my body and my mind, ensuring that I have the energy, clarity, and strength to pursue my passions, contribute to the well-being of others, and ultimately create a sustainable and balanced life.
Reduce inequalities. It involves recognizing the unique challenges faced by different groups and implementing measures to overcome barriers, promote equality rights, and foster inclusive societies where everyone can thrive. Reduce inequalities seeks to address pervasive disparities that exist worldwide. It recognizes that inequalities exist in various forms such as income, wealth, education, healthcare access, social protection, justice, and political representation. The goal is to create more equitable and exclusive society by focusing on closing the gaps and ensuring that all individuals have equal opportunities for social and economic development.